still there? To delete this message, press 7 to save it in.
If you love 3D prints but don't have a home 3D printer yet, here are 7 reasons you should consider getting one.
Press 9 to hear more options.
Endless fun. Discover the joy of creating with a 3D printer. From fidget toys to functional objects, the possibilities are vast. Explore exciting designs on platforms like Thingiverse or Printables. Spark your child's imagination. Combat excessive screen time by introducing a 3D printer to your home. Watch your kids' creativity soar as they explore and bring their ideas to life. Thriving community. Join a supportive community of 3D printing enthusiasts. Collaborate, exchange information, and find solutions together. Platforms like Reddit and Facebook's 3D Printing Club are great places to connect. Fix things at home. Skip the hassle and expense of finding replacement parts. With a 3D printer, you can manufacture tools and items right at home, saving time and money. Limitless possibilities. From medicine to space travel, 3D printing has revolutionized industries. Take advantage of its versatility to create replacement parts, educational materials, custom clothing, and even experiment with 3D printed food. Turn your hobby into income. Your 3D printer can be a money-making machine. Learn how to create 3D models and start selling them online. Numerous resources can guide you in starting your own online store. With a home 3D printer, the opportunities are truly limitless. Let your imagination run wild and explore the exciting world of 3D printing.